Welcome to the Ocean of Languages. It is thoroughly and purely a kids channel, and I will request all the listeners, all the viewers to view this channel, promote these little kids, uh, motivate them, and subscribe this channel as much as possible. So please keep sharing and uh, view this channel and would encourage these little kids. Today is very interesting topic, and the topic is plants are very important for our life, for ecosystem, or you can say for ecology as a whole. So first of all, I will invite Adya Kashmi to share her views on plants. She is really a very talented girl. Uh, I have already told you, or already I told you, that she jumped one class. Like when she was in class first, then she could not get an opportunity to study in class second due to lockdown, and thereafter means you can say like she didn't study in class second, and thereafter she jumped one more class, like she didn't study class third, and she directly came to class fourth. So uh, I can say that she studied nursery to first, and thereafter she came to class fourth. But she has a very good talent, and here see what she speaks and explains about the relevance of importance of plants. So Adya Kashmi.
Hello, I am Adya Kashvi. Today's topic is benefits of plants. Plants give us plants plants play a very important role in our life. Plants give us oxygen and we give us carbon dioxide. Plants plants have a pigment called chlorophyll. When chlorophyll isn't there in plant, so is yellow and orange. The plant gives us oil, vegetable, fruits, etc. Some people cut the trees, so we request the government to punish the people who doesn't care the trees.
So
क्या हो गया?
so you want to say that cutting tree is not according to the law, and that is illegal. So it is really good that there must be some prompt action taken by the government. Acha, uh, what is the use of chlorophyll? Like if suppose chlorophyll is there in plant, so what is the benefit of chlorophyll? Can you say something about this? Means the plants become green. Is it due to chlorophyll only?
Yes. Plants become green due to the presence of chlorophyll. Okay.
Oh. Do you also think that plants are helpful in uh, checking out pollution, controlling pollution?
Yes, plants is very useful to stop pollution.
Fine. And what's about like soil erosion? Uh, if we talk about soil erosion, we usually find there are lots of plants and trees. Do they help in controlling soil erosion or stopping soil erosion?
Yes, it is also help to stop pollution.
It means pollution, it stops pollution, it also checks out soil erosion. Uh, so you want to say like plants and trees are very important for human being, very important for this nature,
Animals.
and of course animals as well. Thank you very much for explaining so well. Now I would like to give this opportunity to, of course, Shivika Siddhi, who is another big talent. So Shivika, you are most welcome here.
Welcome, sir. Uh, so I want to ask some questions to Adya of the benefits of plants.
Yeah, of course.
Okay. So Adya, I want to say that Which pigment we call chlorophyll? In which color it's contained? In green color. Okay, it is in leaves? Yes, it is only in leaves. Okay, do you want a flower? Do you like a flower? Yes, I like flowers. So, when you feel that the flower has good smell, so what you feel exactly? I feel very, very nicely. Okay. And what is your opinion about the benefits of plants?
Means Adya, yeah, want to say like of course there are endless benefits of plants, isn't it? Like Adya, we make paper even like, isn't it? Like the copy that you are writing and the pages on which you are writing is also made of plants and trees only, isn't it? We get lots of fruits, mango, like in summer, then lychee, and season wise we get lots of fruits, isn't it? So that way, of course, it is very beneficial. We the very important thing is like we also get shade and cool breeze if we are sitting under the tree, right? So that way it is also beneficial. Moreover, during the daytime, it releases oxygen, so we get lots of oxygen during the daytime. So that way, plants and trees are very beneficial. Yeah.
Okay, so Adya is not very good in this topic, but she done the very well, and she speak also very well because she is in class 4th and she speaks very good. So Adya, can you please tell me that what plants contain?
Means what exactly you want to say? What plants contain means what?
Means that which gas plant contains? Oxygen gas. Okay, and which we give to plants? Which gas we give to plants? Carbon dioxide.
Means she wants to say like of course plants and trees they release oxygen and
Absorb
and simply in return they absorb carbon dioxide.
gas.
So that, and for us, like for human beings and for animals, oxygen is very very important. So that is why like it is always said, grow more and more plants and trees.
Yes.
Yeah.
So I want to say, which plant do you love the most? Date plum. Date plum, okay. And you know the floating plants also? Yes, I know floating plants. Such plants or floating plants are duckweed and water hyacinths. Okay, it's very good. So will you see that plants or will you see that plants in the picture or in the real? In the picture. Okay, so you don't you don't see in the real plant. No, floating plant. I don't see. Okay, can you give one example of fixed plants? Water lily. Okay, did you love the lotus? Yes, I love lotus. I also love lotus and water lily.
I think it's enough. I think for her now. I think now Tanya, it is your turn to share your views on the importance of plants and trees.
Okay. So, I was telling some things that we must do for our nature, our atmosphere. So, we can say that plants have a very important role in our life. When the plants is not there, plants and water is not there, so we can't alive. I am very I am very sad to see this. The global warming is increasing without the lack of plants.
Means you want to say due to lack of
Due to lack
plants
of
and trees,
plants, yes.
pollution is increasing, and when
Pollution.
pollution is increasing, it is of course resulting into
The
global warming.
atmosphere.
Global warming,
Yeah.
and global warming is certainly very dangerous for this
For our
for our
atmosphere.
atmosphere, for nature.
Yes. So I want to only say that please grow plants. I have the humble request to please grow plants, and I have the humble request to the government also that please grow more and more plants. I want to say
I want to ask one thing, Sevika. Like, are you growing plants at your home?
yes, I have a garden. I have a small garden at the roof, at the terrace of my house.
So my question is, how do you care your plants on your roof? How do you care them?
Uh, I care him. I care the plants to give him sunlight, and
To give them sunlight.
to
Okay,
give them sunlight and water
Yeah.
at the morning and the evening also.
Hmm.
And then when I wake up at the morning, I every day do this. I watered my plants, and my favorite plant is my plant of hibiscus. It's very great plant, and some of the people also grow the hibiscus plants. So I'm requesting you, which plant do you love? Please grow it.
So, what message will you convey to the, of course, to your friends, to your pal, to, of course, children, and especially to, because it's a kid channel, so especially to kids, small kids, right? What message will you convey?
So I was given message that please grow plants, and I already say that I never we never gave up. When we gave up, we can't succeed in our life. So I'm requesting to the children and to the parents, to the government, and to the and to all the peoples who live in the India. Please grow plants and save water also. Thank you. Have a nice day.